So fixing the not feature not showing up in Messenger is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can fix that notes feature in Messenger is not showing up. So for that we will go to the Messenger application. As you guys can see, I can see this note feature. I can share my thought by just typing something that I want to type. But in your case, if you cannot see this note feature, which means you still haven't got this feature yet. So how you guys can get it? So for that, you simply cannot do anything. I have tried everything to get the feature before, but they will give you whenever they want. So it totally depends upon the messengers or the Facebook's authority to give you this feature. The only thing you can do is you can either try logging out and logging in, and you can also try to update this messenger app and make sure your app is updated. But if you still didn't get the feature, which means your Facebook account haven't got this note feature yet. So you just have to keep on waiting until you get the note feature. I hope Facebook gives you this feature as soon as possible. Or you guys can also try contacting the Facebook customer service support. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can fix note feature not showing in your messenger. Hope you guys find this very helpful.